Yo, what's going on YouTube? Alright, so we out doing some coyote hunting. Arizona, Finger Mountain Rock, whatever. I'll show you guys there. Real popular area out here. Nice little shooting zone. And we're gonna get some coyote calls in. I believe we're gonna hike out a little bit, find a spot, and stay tuned, see what we can get. Alright YouTube, so we're hiking up and the sun's going down. We got bats. You guys all know I fucking hate bats. So there's the Finger Mountain. You can see the reason why they call it. Basically looks like it's flipping you off. We had some ATVs out there scooting around on the dirt, and we're gonna head up through the ridges there. So stay tuned. Hopefully we hit some. Alright YouTube, so we just strolled our way up. I'm out of there, I'm tired. Been up since 3:30 this morning out hunting, as you guys seen in the recent videos, and you know what, I'm just gonna keep going at it. You see Laughlin, Nevada out there. See if I can get you guys a visual of the casinos. So yeah, I'm gonna pop in some seeds, turn you guys off, stay tuned. What's going on YouTube? Alright, so no coyotes, and now we are just trying to basically survive the hike back. As you can see, we have some rough terrain. We got to go all the way down in that there, and then the truck is like way out there. You guys can see Nevada. I showed you guys a view from here earlier when it was daylight. So stay tuned, and well, I guess I will end it here because we're gonna head to a truck and call it a night. Rate, comment, subscribe. Much love and respects. I'm up and out. Peace.